Listen, all I want you to do is put the breath into the workout, especially the new people who are not familiar with the specific nasal breathing. I'm like, listen, I don't care how or when you're inhaling, when you're exhaling. All I want you to do is focus and become aware of breathing in and out of your nose. So a lady or a girl today, we were going through push-ups or pull-through push-ups where you're pulling the bell across, high plank position, you're doing the push-up. I was like, listen, I could give you the specifics of when to exactly breathe or when not to breathe throughout this entire movement. But instead, I just want you to take the breath, take the nasal breathing, and just put it into the movement. Whatever feels most natural for you of when to inhale, when to exhale, but I just want you to focus on whenever feels most natural. And that just brings a whole nother level of awareness. And it's funny too, it's like when you do that for people,